Good morning. Welcome to my morning muse with Muyiwa Oludayo. Such a great privilege we have before us this day to share a thought with you. I'm excited that you're here. I'm excited also that we have the opportunity to continue to inspire you to take actionable insights. To take actions from our practicable insights, okay? Today we'll continue our conversation on preparation. We've been talking about how you can get yourself ready for the future, how you can get yourself ready for the next big opportunity coming your way. And I think today we would go into another cue, another word for today's muse. Okay, so the cue for today's muse is examples. Examples. You need an example as you get ready for the future. And here's a thought backing up that cue. In your quest for greatness, look to those that have produced replicable results that are void of hurts to humanity. In your quest for greatness, look to those that have produced replicable results, enviable results that are void of hurts to humanity. Friend, there are people that you must have as your guides. There are people you must have as your reference point on your journey towards significance. And the reason is this: when you find yourself at a crossroad, you should be able to say, what would Matthew do? What would Jamal do? What would James do? What exactly would Jamiu do? You want to ask yourself these questions, but if you don't know about Matthew, Jamal, James, and Jamiu before you set out on your journey, chances are that anything anyone does becomes a reference point you want to latch on. So I'm asking you today, set out the criteria for the people that will be models of reference so that you will know how to latch upon what you have done in getting on your journey. Today, look for an example and ensure you continue your journey with the guidance of a model. Alrighty? Be good. Have a good one.